What up, guys? How we doing? Right now, I'm bullish. A high a day, I think. Price seems like it wants to go. Order flow is pretty bullish here. We have this last like 1 minute BPR here to break. Before that can keep an eye on that. My condition also is this like one step here. If we break that, I think we'll run back 15-minute below. That would be like dream scenario. But yeah, we have a lot of trades to go over from this morning. A lot of stuff to talk about. Absolutely what. Okay. Yeah, we can look for an opportunity to get this win for 50. I think that's possible. The volatility here doesn't seem horrible. Seems like we want to have a short maybe reaction to the high here is pretty. Ultimately, it's going to come down to this gap though. As long as we're holding this, we're in shape. We might not be able to get a high of day on NQ simply because ES has like its high of day wick at New York AM high, so we might just SMT there. But yeah, for right now, just like slow grind up. I think if we get past this high again, we'll probably just go for AM high. Right now, this would be a protected high. Hit it and go bullish. On MFFU, there's no $97 starter account. Correct. Yeah, they got rid of those accounts. It's now like the core or the scale or the expert. You think we remain bullish this session? Yeah, that's kind of where I'm leaning. Order flow is just telling me. I'm thinking if we hit this high again, we'll just run to high a day from there because this is a protected high. So if hitting protected highs before sweeping out sell side, they just why I'm still pulled up on this. And I want to watch that to see. Alrighty. I guess we're not getting it right now. Let's go over the first trade of the day. It was this data low short play here. Short came from either 2-minute entry or 1 minute here when we moved through. This was my first trade of the day. I thought it was nice. Good break even. Pull to the low. And then my second trade of the day was this short here. I thought this death candle short was good. Momentum good. SMT at the high. Swing full. Session liquidity. Previous session liquidity is good. And then this long is actually not horrible if you took this. But I don't think there was really a good valid entry there. Maybe you take like the 32nd if it's there. Get it in here. Kind of looks like LR alarm. Expect price to run that. Tap into the next inefficiency above here. Yeah, after that, not really much else. 11 o'clock. Expect price to move up from there because we can expect bearish PD raise. That's about it. So these two shorts and then this long, I thought. Yeah, Paula. So like right now, I'm looking at this 1 minute gap. Because if you'll notice, we have setting price up out of it. And if we were to break it, there's not really any roadblocks to hold the price after this breaks. And so if this one breaks, I would expect price to then run to this low here, which also happens to be like an unfilled 15-minute gap. And then this would be our dream scenario for a longs to pull back to here. 30-second at 9:45. I would not have taken this one because it's invalid. Well, I guess it's not invalid, but you'd have to enter. It's closed to the tick. 8:58. Wasn't there like a data low below? Yeah. So you're longing with a data low below. Probably wouldn't take that one. You can short it. I'm just not going to short it because I'm bullish. The reason I'm bullish is because we swept out so much sell side liquidity today. And I wouldn't expect price to head for previous day low unless we inverse this 15-minute gap here. You can take it though. I just think it's against the bias. So it's lower probability than trading with the bias. The short at 8:58, yeah, that's fine. You should just be in from here. I already won. Do I take trades? Yeah, if we have good draws and liquidity to target for sure, and if it's textbook setup, gad nerd. I honestly don't really expect a whole lot out of price today because we've moved so much already. I think maybe we hit this high, and then once we hit this high, it'll probably over from. So yeah, any more setups? I mean, I think this short, or the SMR short here, or the long, were the best setups of the day. Did anybody wait for the SMR here? I didn't because the momentum, right? We talk about when you would need an SMR, when not. To me, when you get good momentum like this, two down close candles, you don't have to wait for that. And if you're saying, okay, internal versus external, I don't think you have to wait for this gap really. Because you have order flow telling you, okay, price wants 5 minute, the 3 minute gap, the SMT. Exactly, yeah. 2 minute 12:12. If it's during lunch, I'm just not taking it. And cool, it worked. I like that we came down, we ran the low inside the gap, respected it, and then pushed up from there, but it's not really a V-shape entry. Just like coincidental that it worked. Still. 1 minute at 10:29. Yeah, that's the. Oh, I wouldn't have taken that. I would have waited for the. I don't know. Really, yeah, I don't think I would have taken this because we have this gap above. So you want to wait for all the gaps there to close. It's like a gap in series. So based off this reaction that we're getting, the fact that we're not targeting this protected high anymore, and the fact that we're kind of, it looks like we want to shift structure to the downside here. I think this is where we're headed, right? This one failed. This one didn't fail. It's an inception gap. Enter here. Stop loss below the inception, right? But this wasn't really a valid entry. Okay, then don't do 40 point stop. Just don't enter this trade then, because that's what it is. It's a 40 point stop. You didn't take it, yeah. No, after the second short, I was just done. Because to me, it's like, okay, what draws are left? Maybe you get a retrace entry. That's why I said the long here wasn't bad because we leave inefficient price action here, but I just don't know what you're drawing. Nice. That's a good 30 or 15 second. Swing, that's actually so real. that's like that's one of the realest things I've ever seen posted in here. I'll be copy trading 10 accounts on Apex and take a loss, and then I'll trade my MFFUs, which I don't really care about getting winning trades on right now because I don't want to get pushed to live. And then I'll win on those. Yeah, yeah. So they fund you with real capital there, and then just the same split, but you have to pay for professional data fees. It's honestly not that big a deal. I just don't want to have to pay for professional. So live traders, no, no, live traders get paid the same. I mean, you can qualify for a bigger payout cap if that makes sense, but well, actually, I guess it depends on the firm. Some firms cap how much money you can make, and some firms don't. So, like with Apex, you would make the same on Sim versus live. On MFFU, you get capped. What up, Sledge? Oh, your message earlier. Yeah, Sledge. I just reviewed it actually, but this 2 minute long is fine. I said we respect the fair value gap here, sweep the low inside the fair value gap, so we get our liquidity sweep. Good, you know, I guess singular gap here, not really V shape. I don't know what your draw on liquidity is. I feel like it's just like luck that ended up working out. This seems like pretty choppy P. I don't know. I probably wouldn't have taken it. Tell you the only reason why I wouldn't want to get on live account with MFFU is because of professional data fees. But other than that, it's totally fine. It's also like psychologically it can be higher pressure because like I don't really know how some firms operate with live, but I know that some you blow up the live, that's it. You can't work with them anymore. Yeah, I took the same trade, but I didn't wait for the SMR. So we are grinding down. Oops. So trouble identifying SMRs fast enough. Can you show me a couple examples if you don't mind? Yeah. So for the one from this morning, by the way, let's keep an eye on this one. Here. There's that gap that I was talking about would be like the trigger for getting to this low. The one from this morning was the 2 minute, I think. And so what you're looking at here is you're gonna start by looking at a soup, right? And then after that, which the soup here is the SMT, right? So we don't come up and we don't hit this high, but we get an SMT at this high, kind of acts the soup itself. So when we get the soup here, we're looking then for a CISD, which a CISD is just the inverse of the manipulation leg, which a manipulation leg is just a series of up close or down close candles that run liquidity or tap into an efficiency. So here's our series of up close candles here. So once we close below these, we get our CISD. And then if you look here, there's a order block that forms at 9:54 in the 2 minute when we close over this high here at 9:56. And then once that order block gets inverse, that's your breaker. So that's the pattern for the SMR. And if you're looking for more examples, you can check out that YouTube video that I made a couple weeks ago. No, I took two trades this morning for. I'll take two trades before I'm done. Yeah, I can. So do you guys see why I'm interested now in this short? Because we break the gap that's holding price up, and there's not really any roadblocks here. I mean, yeah, the OSFL for this morning was either this entry or I think there was like a 30 second maybe. There wasn't. You could have just taken the death candle, but that would have been a break even. So realistically, it was the 1 minute there, or could have taken that 2 minute and just knocked down a break even. But it was just the 1 minute. Enter on this candle, close, go to break even, hold for the data low. Where did I post the video at? Yeah, it's in PM announcements. Get 2 o'clock here in a minute, 30 seconds. Here comes 2 o'clock here in about seconds. Wonder what stopped us. That was a really, really weird series of events. Break structure, break the gap. I don't know what stopped us there. That was really strange. Alrighty, well I guess we're moving back up. This an SMR? No, because there's no suit. There's yeah. Straight of eight, Bubasti, in my opinion. Bro. I don't know. Could be. Okay. Okay, so it's probably going to be either double L Y, which I don't even know what word this would. Valley. All right, cool. Do you guys see why, even though we inverse this, I'm not interested in taking it for a short? Not that it's too far. It's just that it's against the bias. The bias is bullish right now. It was a 30-second year, but it's just you're taking the 3 minute if we tap it. No, I wouldn't have taken anything unless we hit this low. Because this to me is just not very clean price action. Yeah, I mean, it's just it's not very. We're still going for a protected high since we did sweep sell side. Exactly, yeah. This is just chop. They're taking it. Yeah, I took two wins during AM, two short trades from this morning. The data low play and Sledge, weren't you there? I went over the trades that I said. Ice. Oh, what is this like? Roasts, different roasts, coffee. Oh, bears, right? Sun bear. Can't be this. That maybe. This. Oh no, this probably four. This has to be two as well, though. Ooh. Okay. Tough. Because everything is kind of accounted for. 30 rice, I think, is a dish. Yeah, I don't 5. So this can't go there. Let's just figure out this. This can't go in that spot because there's not enough. Then it's got to be this one or this one. I think the 4 here makes. I know because there's not enough. Oh yeah, there is. There's. Okay. We do this. This. That. Yeah, no, we don't have anything yet. We're just dropping. We just need to wait for either price to inverse this last 1 minute gap or come down and tap here. Like I'm telling you guys, this pump here makes no sense. this. Dude, this has to be greater than there, there, here. What's wrong? Right. Can it not be the blank one? What's wrong with this? This? Oh, this has to be it. Greater than 2. There. Oh no, this can't work then. Bro. Wait, these are both less than 2. What am I saying? Why did I... Idiot. Do everything. I think this is alright. I think that has to go there. It has to go. Then this is where... So... I don't know how else you get to 22. I feel like you need to use this. Dude, that was 17 minutes? So bad. There's no way that was 17 minutes because it hasn't even been 10. How's everyone doing? Good, Baker. How are you? Guys, I'm literally just sitting here waiting for something to happen. I'll answer questions as necessary, but we could always backtest, I guess. Sick. Let's backtest 2023. Let's backtest the first month I started trading. All right. Looks pretty bearish. Look at higher time. I'm gonna set an alert for here. Do an alert. So yeah, looks. I guess 15-minute looks. This just seems choppy, but a little bearish. Knowing I have to add this every time. Yeah, I'm just gonna say we're bearish. So I guess let's look for a long Judas swing and then short there. There's 9:30 open. Oh, I mean, okay. That 1 minute short wasn't horrible. Pull back, tap into the 15-minute, sweep the high there. But technically, we hit that next low inside the gap there, so. Oh, 10 a.m. news. Cater for it. Fixing that to run the data low, run those lows, run Asia session liquidity. Okay, so now I guess I'll look for a long to target the data high. 10 a.m. reversal maybe. Ooh, this is choppy. Okay, that's clean. So like a 2 minute there. This sucks. Go. Low key, I'll just enter on the 3 here, I guess. Yikes. Wow. Okay, well, I just got shit on. We never closed above the 5 there. I was just being stupid. I mean, we have a data high there, right? Yeah, 10 a.m. All right, I'm taking this 5 minute long. Oh, a little late. I don't care. Damn, I can't even get the break even. So for lunch. Wow. Did we lose? I think we lost. Yep. There go next day. End up hitting the data wake. All right. Sweep at London low. I mean, we're right there. Uh, I guess there's not a valid. Okay. Whoa. Okay, I went too fast. And break even. Yes. Yep. Oh, this is super high there, and it's okay. Next day. Another data week times. That was a win. 1000%. Dude, I put invalid, bro. Oh, we inverse the 1 minute. What about the 1 minute that we just had? I would never have taken that. There's nothing here I could take. Essentially, I'm just waiting at this point for ES and NQ to both hit. AM high. Maybe we see a reaction there. There's not really any good draws left, and we've already expanded so much. Is that a horrible play? The 3 minute there. Ooh, that's a lot of LR. It's gonna short. Not even gonna have a stop loss. Okay.
Why
I
did you
gotta.
take that?
Why did I take what?
Why did you short?
LR.
Yeah, where was the entry?
Entry was right here.
Well, why didn't you do a stop loss?
Because that was gonna hit.
Yeah, does anyone know what this shit is? What is this?
I don't know. Chocolate cake.
It's like ice.
I swear.
It's acai.
No.
Yeah, it did.
Ice Gap, sure.
I thought acai bowl was just like a fruit bowl or something. Oh, that makes sense. How do you do this morning, Rival?
I caught the OSFL setup and I caught the short. Ooh. Oh, we missed the high there. It's good though. This is horrible. It's really bad. Okay. Okay, wait.
Where's Murmur? Where's Murmur, Mr.
Bro.
Fahrenheit?
Fahrenheit's in here. I thought I saw Murmur too. Bang. Hey, that would have been a break even trade, but who cares?
Hey, there he is. My number one hater. Where's my number one two? Where's my number two hater? Mr. Fahrenheit.
Stay open. Well, that's news. We ran everything. Any more liquidity? I guess we could go for this. Yeah, let's go for that. Back to like.
No, I didn't get the new phone. I had to order it. You guys know
Dude.
this is my first. You know, this is my first time ever having an acai bowl in my life. Dude, it's fire. I'm gonna get
Okay.
more of these for sure.
Death
I give
candle.
it 10. Easy. 10.
Go in versus the 5 minute. Guess we're still outside of the curve.
I got strawberry, pineapple, banana, blueberries. One more. Short here, short here, short here, short here. Right there, short.
Ooh, down low.
No, 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 no. Go back to wait a minute, wait a minute. Bro, go back to where I just said short.
Oh wait, there's a woman in you. Eh, close enough.
Bro, yo, can you hear me? Mm. Can you hear me, Reliable?
You guys, how's my imitation of Dodgy going? Ooh, bang! Let's go.
Bro, Reliable. Wait, can you guys hear me? Dude, go back to when I said short. I want to see what happened.
When did you say that?
Right? Oh my God, dude. No, right there.
Yeah,
Holy shit, I'm good.
bro was recently backtesting more. This was
Dude,
a
I just like
banger.
know what the market's gonna do, bro.
What a banger. All right. I guess I'll play out today. In reverse.
Yo, Mr. Fahrenheit, there you are, my number two hater.
So, bye.
You're
Oh,
alive. Will be on fort tonight.
dude, I was playing the Delulu mode earlier. It was fun.
I'd do it.
Ooh.
Yo, wanna know what I think's crazy?
Hmm.
Like you play Fortnite like almost during or after the AM session every day. Like, bro,
Uh,
if I did that, if I kill myself, bro.
I don't just play Fort. I play
Mm.
what's it
Like I
called?
went to the like you be playing Fortnite and you be playing Skate 3 and
Nope,
shit.
nope, nope. Black Ops 2.
Okay, what do you, yeah, you be playing like Call of Duty and shit, and I'm just like at the gym, like just chilling,
I'm not a
enjoying my
grinder.
day. And this man's on like Black House doing Fortnite. Bro.
You got a problem with that? Ooh, banger, banger alert. Aw,
Um,
yo,
Trent Front
what?
PA, reliable here as reliable, make the decision.
Yeah, what? Obviously.
All right. The,
Nah, Dodge is my number one supporter. Yeah, exactly, exactly, Swig. Obviously, I'm doing something right.
okay, is anyone like a like a is anyone a like an athletic trainer in here or anything?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Send him over
Or
my way.
that has to do with that.
Ooh.
Be for real.
Whoa. Oh wait, I'm an idiot. Okay.
Okay, be reliable. One second. Let me ask someone this. Okay, basically, I went on my run today, and the second I go on my run, my right glute, like my right butt, is like just gets really sore. Like I don't know if I'm supposed to stretch it before or what's going on, but it's like the second I start running, probably in 10 minutes in, like it's like really sore. So like every single time I step, like it really like it's not like pain, it's just like sore. Like it's almost like a I don't know. No, it's just like it feels like folded from shit. I don't know.
Okay. High side, I guess, is what we want. Forget the data low, I guess.
But like I wasn't sore yesterday. You know what I'm saying? Like usually if you work out the day before, it gets sore the next day. But I didn't work out yesterday.
Make equal high. Okay. Yo, I'm souping this high.
Bro,
Arbitrary stop loss.
wait, why are you sleeping that high?
Because I'm the goat.
Okay. I'm not long. Oh, never mind. Touch my toes if it hurts. It's my hamstring. Let me see. No, I do both. No, it's not, dude. It's not my hamstring, bro. It's literally like my right butt cheek, dude.
Dude, that was messed up. That was a fire play, though. I top ticked that. Top tip. Can I touch my
All right,
toes? Yes.
can we be for real, bro? Let's be for real here. Come on, guys.
Oh, we're gonna go for the data low.
I don't know if I need to say it, but there's more than not 10 black guys in my house yesterday.
Yeah, careful what you're saying, Dodger. You might lose another contract.
Dude, you know, sciatic nerve. I doubt it.
I'm gonna chase a short here probably. This definitely could be like an F.
Dude, I don't know.
I can't take this. It's horrible.
All right, I'll see you guys later.
All right, see you. We got to break that gap right there, right here. This
Wait,
is it.
are we for tonight?
Probably not. I got stuff I gotta do tomorrow for sure.
Oh, no, 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 no,
I
no,
don't know. I
no.
really want to play Delulu again, dude. I suck.
Yeah,
I
we'll do
suck.
Delulu, bro.
I know.
Let's do it. And then let's make content.
No, dude. It's actually like it kind of sucks now. They
Why?
like changed it, so now like a whole squad can win instead of just one player. So there's no like. It's like basically you're trying to form like massive packs now, like 20-person packs.
Oh, really? All right, see you.
Dude, this is horrible. Okay, cool. We ran session liquid. Where's our entry? We got stop break. Did we end up leaving that data wick? I feel like we did. Yeah, we did. Dude, this is so obvious. I guess we're just gonna leave it. Because it ran liquidity. Oh, we hit AM high. Okay, cool. Alright, well, now I guess we would look for a reaction here to AM high. Maybe a short. I think the day's just over, to be honest. Go to the next. Pull back to 50% on a long. Is that the move? Dude, what is this doing? Wait, that was kind of good, but that was before time anyway. Oh my god, we almost hit the high there. Okay, I mean, I guess if we just... Yeah, great. I'm looking for a short, I guess. 5-minute breaks. Perfect. This is A+. If this loses, I suck. This is like so amazing. Bang. Bang! Never lose. We go over this trade. This was really good. I wouldn't be married at 50 here, especially if we hit like a 4-hour. Oh yeah, look at that. Maybe this long back up. Really a bullish reaction, never mind. Going for 50. We might go lower actually. Stopping. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we have AMD here. Accumulation, manipulate down, grab the 50%. Now we should see distribution up. What do we think about this 3-minute long? We even soup this low here. It's lunch. What do we think about it? It's lunch. It looks really good. Like just a break even. Never mind, we're good. Oh, please don't do it. Oh, okay. Next day, I guess. So I'd just be looking for longs here, probably. Run down, sweep the low. Do you tend to size heavier on better setups? Or do I always... Oh, no, I usually risk like 200 per trade. I'll size up, though, sometimes. Ooh, what do we think? Come back, tap into the 5-minute gap here, the inefficiency. But then we're running into a 5-minute here. This, I bet you this fails unless we inverse the 5-minute. Bro, this is 100% an entry that like people would take and they would get shit on taking. Like 100%. Like tell me you wouldn't be waiting here, right? And like everyone sees this setup form and like 5-minute, here you go. Tell me this isn't a setup that like you'd see the whole chat take and then it would lose. Why did it fail though? Because the 5-minute. We were just retracing to tap the 5-minute. This is a sell model to run this slow. I bet you. Oh wait. Oh wait, maybe we have an SMT. Really? No. Let's see. We'll pay attention to the 5-minute here. The 5-minute's very important. Oh my gosh. Dude, look at how well the 5-minute's holding. Okay, is it gonna break? Okay, now I bet you this is a good long. We're right in the macro. Buy here. Stop loss below the OB. CP at the highs. What? Unless we're running into like a 15. Yeah, we kind of are. We'll send though. Okay. See, that's why we wait for the 5-minute. Because the other piece of this too is, look, we never inverse this 5-minute, so we never run for that sell side. That was like the 2-minute short from today, I think, or whatever that was. What he was talking about. Now let's get back to the real charts here. Are we getting like a short opportunity? Can I paper this? I'm on paper because I had 2 wins this morning. Honestly, like I'm very green on the week. Dude, when I stop messing around, like instantly green. I'm just messing around. Okay, now let's see, like, is this a decent short? Oh, that momentum. Um, is this a decent short? I kind of feel like it is. Coming off of, we have a 1-hour gap here. I can't tell. Like, just pulling back to like this 15-minute example. I'll just watch. Yeah. Yeah, of course. Wow. What a banger. And once again, we come back to this 5 minute. Hold it. Right back up. All right, next day open. So now we want this buy side here. Right, are we at all-time highs? I don't think so. Way. Yeah, it's just 2022. There's no. Or 2023. Okay, let's go for this buy side. 930. Okay, we sweep up the buy side. Soup reaction so far. Wow, V-shape back up here. We have full highs. So at the low inside the gap here. If you want to try this 2 minute on eval, you can. I'm completely done trading though. I'll take this 2 minute short. Wow, look at that reaction. So this is when you really want to start paying attention to a reversal. Do you see how price just struggles to close over that high? This is like one of those times where you're like, okay, this is an obvious reversal. Now wait for the confirmation and invalid because it's start of the macro maybe. I'm still tempted to short here. I'll try it, but this is essentially why this will be a learning opportunity for some of you. Why you might not want to short after it causes the play to go in. It becomes lower probability. See? So we get our short-term bearish reaction, but order flow is still bullish and we're still respecting gaps here that sent us up. Then can't really expect price to full on reverse with this 15 minute. This just gives you like the idea. This is like, oh, okay. Essentially ready. We need a resweep. Still in the 10 a.m. reversal condition. There's just not really a good gap. Maybe the 3 minute here. Okay. Try it. Okay. Get it. Now we're just hoping that the 15 minute here breaks. If the 15 minute breaks, this could go for a while. This could go all the way down to like there. No 15 minute break. Yeah, I'd probably skip. Wow, okay. There's the 15 minute breaking. And what happened? Oh, there's a 1 hour, bro. I didn't see that. 1 hour with an OB. Okay, I'm just going to cut this. I think. We're not. Wow. Okay, I'm just going to go to next day. So no 2 minute trigger. We get a short to unfilled 15. Honestly, like, I don't even love it. Because nothing is convincing here. Like, it just doesn't seem like price wants to reverse. Maybe, we'll see. Remove those drawings. Dude, this higher time frame seems could want to reverse. Inverse the 4, maybe. And maybe we're bearish, right? We got an hour before that. Keep an eye on that. And we're just not bearish. No. Guess we're bullish. Really bad PA. Bro, look at that. That's okay. And we pump hard. 1 minute short. I would never take that. That's too tiny of a gap. Oh no. Okay, that was actually a good long because we tap into this last gap in the leg here, sweep the low there, respect it. That was a good long. That was a good long. Damn it. Okay. That was a good long. I'm spamming the button too hard. Kind of gotta wait. We dump into PM here, so it seems like Price wants to come back maybe for this. Maybe 10 a.m. news here. We're just gonna grind up towards that target. No entries. Damn. Wow. How do I get that read just from looking at this? Generated LRLR there. I'm gonna take this. Just for oh, oh, and it's cooked. So cooked. Oh, there goes all the profit. We're gonna come back to this low inside the gap here. Oh wow. Oh wow. I cut that, I guess. Oh wait, this is FOMC for sure, right? What is this? Why are we guess I enter there. Probably gonna be a breaky. Sure. Pretty close to the end of the day. Yeah. I mean, yeah, that's probably a break even this side. This is actually a lot of trades, to be honest. There was a lot of trades in March. Oh, what did I just do? Oops. Okay. Dude, I gotta stop spamming the button. There's probably a play. 5 minutes short, maybe. That's pretty bad. Really choppy play. We didn't really get a good liquidity sweep here. What are we delivering off of? I still think we want buy side. I feel like the best play is going to come from keeping the low. Power. Yeah, like expecting a 4-hour bullish gap. We just want to be. We get a reversal. Can it inverse this 4-hour to the downside? I don't think so. I think Price wants to reverse here. Psych. Okay, I guess maybe these lows then. Oh, we are holding this PPR here. Okay, so maybe this is what's holding Price, right? So I guess as long as we're holding that, I guess this 4-hour that we're in isn't that important. Wow, that 15-minute inverse. Lunch PA, man. Honestly, I'm just gonna go. Okay. I'm not loving it. Yeah, that was the right call. We have London lows below that seem obvious to run out. There they go. Okay, are we gonna run this low here? No? We run it on yes, maybe? Super uncorrelated. Okay, so we get the low swept there. Sure. Break even. Bad. Good break even. I've been along here. Copy. 12 o'clock. I'm gonna get out there. Oh, yikes. Dude, I haven't been able to break over 10K profit. Gotta work on that. This 5 minute short, maybe. I don't know. I need to like actually take a look at buy where I'm like calling things out. This looks very bullish. Very bullish V shape here. Structure seems bullish, so I guess I'd be looking for a pullback. Dude, this is cooked. Come back to maybe the last 15-minute gap here. Almost hit it. Okay. We might be getting something here. I don't know. Green light. Obvious to me. Dude, this is doing nothing. No, I was gonna take an FU there. Why'd it go in? Still haven't hit. Oh no! Oh, it went about. Dude, I'm over it. Okay. We want that buy side. Sure. Wow, really easy buys today. We missed it, right? We didn't hit it? Yeah, we didn't hit it. Okay. I might just soup that eye. Like, I might just take a short. Yeah, short here. Can we run this? This seems like a good place to target here. Bro, no chance. Oh, was there an S? Oh, dude. I didn't see the SMT in time. That was a banger, though. Dude, no. That should have been a profit. Oh, well. But once again, we're basing the idea of a reversal here off the action of the high that soup. And then we also have 10 a.m. reversal condition here. We have built up liquidity below in the form of this LRLR. Unfortunately, we don't get the last low there because of the SMT. Does that make sense? Pretty easy. Go break even at this gap here. theoretically this could be another short, but based on the fact that we came up again and we have an SMT, this is a bad short. Teachable moment here. This is probably not going to win. I guess it did. All right, so break even. Yeah, break even's there. Also time. Oh, that's backtested incomplete. All right, 65%. Plus 10%. Number of trades. If we just ignore this, we're actually pretty profitable. Obviously. Why would I say that wouldn't win? Because it doesn't make sense. Why would price come back up again? We have an S&P. Or I mean, why would price go down again if we've already had like our like if price was really gonna head lower there, we would have just ran through it. Honestly, I don't really think we're gonna get anything else today. If we're gonna get something, it's gonna be probably a short. I know that like I'm ending stream here early. Like, I mean, what are we gonna get? Like, what is the expectation here? We had a really good week. We had a really solid morning. I know some of you guys can't participate in the morning, so if you guys have anything else, you want to ask about or Trump tweet, I guess we could be waiting on a Trump tweet. Sure. Did you get 2.5 Harvard? You're up 1.5. Nice. Yeah, I mean, last week I think I was down 1R. The week before, I don't remember what I was down. I was up but yeah, I was down last week, and this week I'm up like 4R. I'm up 3R today. I was up 1R yesterday from PM. Yeah, for sure. That makes sense. You want to cover your positions early because you're trading with bigger size. Alrighty. I got nothing else. Sorry, today was like not as focused as Friday, casual Friday. I feel like, the backtesting offered some clarity through some of those setups I'm waiting for. Basically, if we don't get a sweep of the extremity, I'm just not interested in trade unless it's super textbook looking, which for a lot of those days we just didn't get it. And then yeah, if we end up getting something today, like we get a pullback to the 15-minute long from that, about all I'd be interested in. Target this last high here, otherwise getting much else. Yeah, I'll catch all of you on Monday, and then I'll put out an updated schedule over the weekend. So if you guys want to check on that, probably by party. Ciao, guys.